beach, please. Give me the beach, please. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. If you are new to this channel, please do not forget to hit that red subscribe button. And if you are a returning subbie, you know I appreciate you. Thank you so much for coming back and watching another video. Well, if you clicked on today's video, you know what this video is about. It's about the new Rihanna release of the Beach Please, or Beach Please? Beach Please, or Beach Please. Beach Please or Beach Please collection. Alright, this dropped May 21st and I just picked up a few items, you guys. Now, I didn't pick up the whole collection because I didn't feel like I needed the whole collection. There were just a couple of things that I had been eyeing. I could have picked it up the first day that it dropped, but I waited a little bit and I wanted to see it in action. So I watched a couple of YouTube videos about it and I decided on the colors that I felt would suit me. When I went to Sephora a couple of days after it dropped, I looked at it, didn't quite like it so much, so I passed and I walked away. But then I kept watching more and more tutorials on YouTube and it kept drawing me in, you guys. Oh. So I thought I was going to be able to pass on this collection. I didn't. I didn't, you guys. I couldn't resist. And so if I picked it up, you know I had to bring you the deal, bring you the good. I picked up the new, what's it called? KILLAWATT foils. It's a Freestyle highlighter duo. And these you guys can use, as you probably saw me use in the opening scenes. You saw me use some on my eyes, and then you can use some as a highlight. I know I'll probably be using some as a blush. As you can see, it just gives off an luminosity, you guys. It makes it look absolutely stunning. Mimosa Sunrise and Sangria Sunset. The colors are absolutely gorgeous. Okay, and I also picked up the Summer Daze Iridescent Lip Luminizer Trios, you guys. It only comes in 3s for some reason, and they have Summer Days and Summer Nights. And I decided on Summer Days because I felt that Summer Days' colors would suit me better. I used the Galaxy holiday collections as lip toppers, so I know I'm going to use these as lip toppers as well. They're very, I want to say they're very kind of sheerish, but they feel great on the lips. So the prices, you guys, the Killawatt duo costs $36, and the lip luminizers as a trio costs $32. So yeah, I just wanted to bring this very short video to you. I also did a DIY of the, okay, so what I did is I mixed my loose highlighting powder from Makeup Addiction Cosmetics. I mixed it with baby oil gel and baby oil, you guys, and that's how I got that body glow that Rihanna was selling. Well, she's still selling it, but she had dropped about a month ago, over a month ago now, I think. So yeah, this is just my review, you guys. You know that I am a Fenty Beauty addict. I am addicted to Fenty Beauty for some reason. I don't know why. I can't pass it by. I was going to pass on this collection, but it just kept calling me, and I think it would be absolutely gorgeous for the summertime, you guys.